Get up. It's not over yet. You've been tested, pushed to your limits, almost broken. But pressure doesn't destroy you, it reveals you. You don't lose when you fall, you lose when you stay down. So rise up, take the pain and turn it into power. This is your fight, your moment, your comeback. Now get up. Yeah, I've been down, but I rise again. Through the pain I ignite within. No fear now, I don't break, I bend. This the start, this is not the end. Heart cold, but the fire's alive. Lost count how many times I tried. Knocked down, but I saw her survive. Now I'm back and I won't be denied. Rise up, yeah, I own this now. No limits, I won't back down. Stand tall, I won't hit the ground. This my time, hear the thunder sound. I stay down.